Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So as you see that the daily candle here, it finished here today, and the market, it's been very flat here. Today we haven't entered no long, no short. As yesterday, we show you here Monday candle is closed green. Today candle is closed red. But also we still waiting what the Bitcoin is going to do today. Also we been following other cryptocurrencies, but till now we haven't entered. Me, I'm talking here about people in my Telegram and my Discord, the VIP one. By the way, if you want to join us, you can join our VIP Discord or VIP Telegram. The link of them is down in the description of that video. And by the way, it's not expensive. It's only $10 per month. And believe me, you're going to back that money within one signal. But that if you want to be an active trader, if it's not, just follow our analysis here and you're going to make money by that. So now here in the daily, what we got, see that level here, that one here, where I bought that arrow, it's still holding the Bitcoin here compared to your stocks. Your stocks today, they fall down a lot, but the Bitcoin here, it's still holding that level here. And that good news here for Bitcoin. But to enter long, there is nothing yet. You need to wait more till you got a clear picture, and that's what us we been saying all the time. We're still waiting the break of the triangle here to happen. Either we break in here, we're going to enter long, or we're breaking down here, then we're going to enter short. Till now, us we're still waiting. I'm talking here about long term. People with us, they know where us we buy. We buy from here. That's the first level where I buy me. Second one from here. Third one from here. And the fourth one from here. It went up till here, but me, I haven't closed exactly here. I enter a short in the future as a hedge against the risk. We explained that strategy thousands of times here. Now here, there is nothing new. You need to wait more till you got a clear picture. At this time, you don't got nothing, so you need to wait. And even the volume, everything is telling you the market, it's very flat. No one want to invest those days. Till that month finish it, then also we're going to see what's going to happen in the market. But till now, there is no clear picture, so you need to wait. I'm talking here about long-term investors. So I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news, which is coming today, for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that the news we got today. We got core durable goods order and crude oil inventory, that which is coming today. All the eyes now is it focused about what is going to come tomorrow in the Fed speech or Jerome Powell speech. So that way you see the market is very flat like that. So I think everything is too clear here. And here is our friend, the table of us as we're looking at it every day. Look at that, even US stocks today, it fell down more. By the way, for people in my other YouTube channel today, I haven't put for you a video because I'm not well, feel myself very tired. That way me haven't put that a video. But here for your stocks today, they give us another low today. And I tell it to you in Monday, when Monday candle close, I told you the market is going to fall down, and that's what it's showing to us till now. Let's see till Jerome Powell when it's going to come, if maybe the market is going to recover. Our friend the VIX, as you see, is getting closer and closer to 20. That means currency is getting very high, and people, they are scared now from recession or whatever. But me personally, I believe we're going to touch that level of 20, then after that we're going to recover from there. That's how it look like till now. Also, we're still waiting what the market is going to tell us. And here, US dollar today, it gave us another high. That's mean US dollar, it's still continuing upward. There is no downtrend. Also, we're still going up in the US dollar. That's what it's telling us till now. So picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the Ethereum today, what it's doing. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction, guys. As you see the Ethereum, I told you in that level here, the Ethereum, he tried to give you here a price action. And as you see it, he tried to give you here a head and shoulder here. But till now it hasn't broken the neckline here. As you see it, it needs to break here. If it's breaking here, you can enter long till the top here. So the Ethereum, he tried to recover from that level, guys. Look at it here. Let me zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you. Look with me here. What you see? That the first shoulder, over here the head, and that smaller one is the second shoulder, guys. And no, I haven't drawn it right, but me I try to show you those things for pictures to get more clear to you. Look at it, that the shoulder, over here that the head, and over here that the second shoulder. The neckline is it here at the tails of those candles here. If any 4-hour candle break in here, you can enter more long, guys. Remember those things what I'm telling you? Why me I told you if we break in the neckline you need to enter long because of that one here. You remember that very stronger supply and demand zone here? We came back to it and the Ethereum he couldn't break here. Now if it's breaking the neckline here, you can enter long till the top here, because in the top here you got another stronger supply and demand zone, guys. You see it or no? I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator with 10. Our indicator, as you see it, was very close to oversold area. Now also we are in the middle here. Now either is going to break that neckline or from here is going to reverse till oversold area. So there is nothing yet. You need to wait until if we're going to break the neckline or no. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin price prediction in the 4 hours. By the way, before we continue, yes, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord where we're giving daily signals. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see the Bitcoin here, after it's breaking here, the neckline here of that head and shoulder we show you before, as you see it here, that the head and shoulder here, when we break in the neckline here, the Bitcoin here, he tried to give us here at that level here, at double bottom here in the 4 hours. Neckline of that one, it needs to be here in the top here. So if we came with breaking above here, maybe we're going to go back up till here. That's a scenario. Second scenario, maybe that one here, it's just a sideways market and it's going to give us here a smaller flag. Then after that, it's going to drop again till down here. So the Bitcoin till now there is no bulls, no bears. Market it's look like it's going to stay sideways here till the Jerome Powell or the Fed came. And me had just been discussing that about one friend of us in our VIP Discord. I told him not yet the bottom, it's left for it more downside. All that it just tried to make you to sleep or try to sleep the market. But at this time there is nothing here, so as we still waiting either the market to give us here a clear price action here. If it's not, there is no entry long, no entry short, and that's the level me I'm talking about as you see it here in that zone here. That's the level you need to be focused about if you're going to break it or not. So till now there is nothing. Now it's going to see our indicator was saying here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, as we coming from overbought area, till now we haven't touching down the oversold area. So all that is just a sideways market. And may I tell it to you, also we're going to stay here sideways. And after that, we're going to see a dump going down till the oversold area. So till now, it's not yet. You need to wait more. There is no buying yet. Remember those things, what I'm telling you, there is no buying yet. You need to wait more till you got a clear picture, guys. We've been talking about those things thousands of times here in that channel. There is nothing yet. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. Our indicator is down here at the oversold area. I told you the Bitcoin, he tried to give you here a double bottom here. If it's breaking the neckline here, yes, you can enter long, but till now there is nothing. So you need to wait more. Yes, level you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it. But till now we don't got the most important thing, which is the price action, because the price action we're going to tell us to enter long or no. Till now we're still waiting if we're going to reverse from here or the market is going to dump from here more. So you need to wait more. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, you watching me now. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. Support us guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, us we been waiting all the whole day. Last time us we entered along from here because of that head and shoulder here. In smaller time frames, it went up till here. Hit for us the first take profit, then we move the stop loss to break even and made the market take me out here. I haven't been on that time. Some members in my telegram, they enter a short base on the double top here. When the market was here, me I told them protect yourself, and now I think they go out. Now the market here in 30 minutes try to give us here a triple bottom here as you see it. But the most important thing that what me have been waiting all the whole day is that one here. You see it or no? Market try to give us here a double bottom here in the 4 hours guys. Till now we haven't breaking above here for us to enter long, so us we still waiting. Another thing very important here, which is that trend line here and down here like that as you see it. We got here a very clear triangle. If we break in here, also we're going to enter long. If we're breaking down here, also we're going to enter short. Yeah, no, it doesn't break in no up, no down. So also we still waiting till we got a clear picture, guys. Let's see our indicator was it in. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we are here at the oversold area. Level we got here a very stronger supply and demand zone. Then we got here the trend line here as you see it here. It's being touched now a lot of times here as you see it, and now is the 4th time us we touching it. If we break it here, we're going to enter long. So till now us we still waiting guys. So everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.